Hello, today we are solving Jan 2026 Unit 1 IAL Edexcel paper. Question number 3 part C of the question we are trying to solve. In the earlier part we had solved trade receivables ledger control account for the month. Now we are going to solve BILAC calculates a new allowance for irrecoverable debts at the end of each accounting period based upon the age of the debts in the trade receivables ledger. The debts of up to 1 month in age are presumed to all to be collectible, but older debts are calculated as follows. If it is from 1 to 2 months and the total debt becomes 3,500, the percentage charge is 3. Then if it is from 2 to 4 months old debt and the debt total is 1,700, the percentage charge is 15, and over 4 months if it is 800 total debts, the percentage charge is 40%. Now calculate the value of allowance for irrecoverable debt at 30th September 2025. This is how he charged for the debt. What is the percentage of allowance for irrecoverable debt that happened for BILAC? Okay, we have to calculate. So that means, okay, we just have to include, okay, or the percentage of this value, what is the amount, and then we have to total it up. That's all we have to do. So for 2 months debt, okay, for 2 months debt, so let's the value of allowance for irrecoverable debt 30th November 2025 for BILAC. So it is the sum total of all the interest charged on the debt he has assumed. Okay, so we have to write that. So now for the 2 months debt, okay, for 2 months debt, okay, for the 2 months debt, so it is equal to allowance for irrecoverable debt charge was equal to 3,500 into he is charging 3%. So that is going to be equal to 3,500 into 0.03. So that is equal to 105 pounds. Okay. So he is making an allowance for irrecoverable debt of 105. And then for 2 to 4 months, okay, for 4 months the allowance charged, okay, the value of allowance charged is 1,700 into 15%. That is going to be equal to 255 pounds. So that is going to be equal to 255 pounds. And then for the over 4 months allowance charge, okay, allowance for irrecoverable debt, so for over 4 months, okay, for a debt of 800, he is charging the interest at 40%. He is assuming. So that is going to give 800 into 0.4, that is 320 pounds. So this is a provision he is making, thinking that debts may happen like this, and that's how I will maintain a provision for irrecoverable debt if it happens. Okay, and now we have to add up all of this, okay, value. So the total value, so total value of allowance for irrecoverable debt is going to be equal to 105 pounds. Okay, it is equal to 105 pounds plus 255 plus 320. So that is going to be equal to 680 pounds. this is the amount he will maintain for the allowance for irrecoverable debt.